Hey. Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, Kyle. Good.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, good to see you.
Taking some video?
Yeah. Yep.
Nice.
So, seeing where we're at down
Kathy,
here.
have you not played?
I think maybe once. Kathy Bernie.
Lake Park?
I work with Tom.
Oh, good.
Kathy,
Nice to-
Kathy is now in Susan Price's old.
Oh,
assistant.
excellent.
She's doing a great job.
Good.
Nice
Yeah.
to see you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. See you. Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful day.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
we're a month into spring, Dave.
Yeah, right.
Are we going to get more snow?
This is amazing coming down here and seeing this. Wow.
I know, it's crazy.
Yeah. I know.
Well, good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you.
All right.
Glad I have it on record now.
No tomato.
What's your name?
And just a sandwich for you? Okay. So $22.50. Hi.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Good.
Paula. Thank you so much. Let me know if I can help you with some cheese.
Yeah. Thanks. I'll like that. How much is that piece? That Castillo right there?
This one?
Yeah. Yep, that one.
It's 8.70.
I'll get that, please.
Okay.